Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now.
Today I leave my job. I'm going to miss you, but we can all stay in touch anyway.
Enjoy the boat, Brim. We'll see you soon.
Bye!
Take care.
So I've mostly been working from home for the last 12 months, and now I need to come back in to give back my computer, my screen, and I kind of want to say goodbye to the studio that I've worked in for the last 2 years, so it's amazing.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
That's it, it's done, you've left work.
No.
How do you feel?
Oh, do you know what? It's mixed. Like, I feel a bit sad. Like, I genuinely really enjoyed working with the people that I worked with. They were all, like, really good people. So, it's mixed, but I'm so relieved and, like, happy that, you know, it's here now.
Yeah,
we're
the
doing
adventure's
it.
starting.
The adventure starts.
A message to Skate Hut?
I just want to say...
People that might be watching?
Thank you, everyone, for being so awesome that I've worked with, making me laugh. You're all so funny, like, just quality people. And yeah, just thank you for an awesome time. Thanks for giving me the job that I had, because it was such a cool job. So yeah, just really grateful.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm
Stop.
gonna cry.
Oh, lovely.
Time to go. This is so full.
That is it. We have now officially left our parents' house. Bruno's left work.
Yep.
And we're on our way to the boat.
That is what we are
to
doing.
start our new life. Go for the long journey down south.
Woo!
Before we get to Talisman, get to the boat, we're on a quick detour. You would have seen in one of our previous videos that we borrowed a mast ladder from our boat neighbours Steve and Philippa. And we put that on our Instagram, and the company Kindle Marine actually reached out to us and said that they'd love to support our journey and what we're doing, and they've actually made a mast ladder for us, which is so kind and so generous, and like we couldn't believe it. Like, we're so excited because obviously, you know, you would have seen how handy that mast ladder was for us, but it wasn't really going to be in our budget yet anytime soon. But the fact they're making us one is absolutely amazing. So we're just going to pick that up now. We're going to meet the guys there, meet the family. It's like a really small family business, which is cool. And yeah, go pick up our new mast ladders. Yeah, we'll speak to you in a bit. Look at Bree, he's trying to juggle everything. It's too late to come back to the car. So we just got to the boat, and look at this. I can't cope with how cute this is. So this is from Annie, which is Mark, our boat next door's, over here at Bimble. Annie's Mark's little girl. Oh my god, look at this. Thank you, Annie.
You. What up?
So it's moving in day. We are sorting all of our stuff out. We've got to try and fit all of this somewhere. All of our belongings, which is too much, I think, still. So yeah, wish us luck. Hopefully next time you see this, it'll be transformed and beautiful. See you in a bit. We're finally settled down. So after a really hard day of sorting things out, unpacking, moving our entire life onto our boat, yeah, we're all sorted and it's feeling amazing, isn't it? Like everything's got a place, everything's packed away. And
It feels like home now.
sentimental.
It really does.
It feels
though.
like home.
It genuinely feels like our home. Like I'm genuinely so excited to start this adventure. But to say that there was no nerves or, you know, it isn't a nervous thing to know that I now am unemployed. So
I think it's always a little bit more of a sacrifice as well when you've got a career and
yeah,
you know, it was a good job. It was a really good job that you had.
it was a really good job that I had. But in fact, that's one thing I kind of want to say is like, no matter how good of a job that you have, if you have ambitions or you have something that you're striving towards, just because you have a good job and you feel comfortable and stable, sometimes it's good to put yourself into that uncomfortable position so that you can achieve these, like, you know, cool things that you want to do throughout your life. I feel like we've definitely done that in the past as well, like not just this time. It's
not that we don't value having jobs and work, and it's more that we will never value money more than like life
experience
and things. And we'll always just get by if need be. We'll find a way, and you know, we can live on bare minimum basically, like in terms of like food and expenses if needs be, if we're a bit short or something like that. So
it's more important to us to, you know, to be doing things that we enjoy and to have fulfillment through experiences.
Yeah. And that's why, like, it's different for everyone, but that's why, you know, for us, it was never an option to kind of wait until we're in a better position financially and we're older or we've got, like, you know, more money or retirement or anything like that. Like, that would never be an option for us because we very much like to do things while we've got the time, while we're able.
Absolutely,
like, while we're physically and, like, mentally able. And you never know. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow, ever.
Yeah, so
without getting too deep, this might be going down a dark road, so I'm just going to leave it there. But like, you don't know if you even have tomorrow, so you really do have to, you know, without being cliche, like you do have to kind of make the most of what you've got, and you know, do what makes you happy, do what you enjoy.
Doing it now, it was the right time.
Yeah, find what suits you best and whatever makes you happiest. And
that's it. Exactly.
That's all we're doing, really. Like, it's definitely not going to be easy.
No,
but
it makes us happy.
That's what we choose.
Also, I just want to say, like, if you're interested in how we are going to finance this adventure and trip, just let us know in the comments if that's something you're interested in, because if there's enough people, we'll make a video about it. Yeah, we don't want to just bore you with our life story if you don't want to know. Yeah, and just digits. So if you have any other questions, please just leave a comment down below. We literally reply to everyone, and we love like talking to you guys. So yeah, if you really enjoyed these series of videos so far, hit subscribe. It really helps us out. If you like this video, leave a like. So that is it for this video. We will see you next time. Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you soon. This is how we look when we don't know what we're saying. Which is 99% of the time. Yes. Hello. I'm just thinking. Everybody home. Cut. Is that it? No one said bye. Bye. No. Sit down.